So how to disable Apple Intelligent AI on your iPhone 16 or 15 series. Open your setting, then go to the Apple Intelligence, then simply turn off this section. If I press on this icon, you can see my Apple Intelligence is available. Also, if you press on this icon two times, then Apple Intelligence keyboard also available. So if you disable both totally, just disable this option, then turn off Apple Intelligence. And now if you press on this icon, you don't see the Apple Intelligence, it's now Apple Siri. So if you want to uh, old Siri back, then you need to go back, then accessibility, and from here go to the Siri option, then simply disable a type to Siri option. And now if you press on this icon, your Siri is coming in. So if you want to enable this Apple Intelligence again, then simply go to the Apple Intelligence section and simply enable it. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.